Hey, this is Jill Wright from nailtechevent.com at my salon here today. If you are a nail company and you want to get your brand into the hands of actual working nail techs who can repeatedly buy from you, we can hook up with you. We can collab because we're needing nail swag for our VIP gift bags and general admission swag for the nail techs that come to our yearly Nails Only trade show at the Gatlinburg, Tennessee Convention Center. We are actually the largest USA, North American trade show professionally run for licensed beauty pros, and it features all nails, only nails, nail booths, nail classes. We've got 3 extra days of workshops, so it's a one-day nails only show in July every year, and this year's our 19th year. So we want to work with you on a collab. Get with me, Jill Wright, info@nailtechevent.com, and let me show you what we've got going on. Here's my nail storage area that I have at my salon. I have a dedicated room for all the nail swag, and we have got door prizes, we've got nail swag, we've got all kinds of items that we actually put into the swag bags, and each of the nail techs that attends our show receives a swag bag. Some of them, like the general admissions, check these out, these are so cute. We make up little mystery gifts, and there's 3 little items in here, nail products. So all the nail products go to the nail techs, and then that way the nail techs can repeatedly buy from you. Now, here's the deal. On our website, nailtechevent.com, there is actually a sponsors door prizes swag page. Go on to it, look at it. There's photographs. We photograph everything that we receive from nail companies, and we put it up onto that page, and we embed that company's web link into that photo. So then people from all over the world, don't even have to be licensed nail techs, just people from all over the world who aren't even coming to our show can discover these companies' products that they send to us to give to the nail techs that come to our show. So by sending products to us and we give them to the nail techs use those products. Those products that work for them, they're gonna be repeat customer buyers. Let me tell you about my personal situation. Years ago, Nail Pro magazine held a contest, and I won, and they sent me a huge box of nail supplies. It was as big as long as my nail table, and that nail table is 4 feet long. It was huge, it was massive. All sorts of nail products. So I used all of the nail products, and the one I really liked the most, I bought from that company for years, decades, bought. So that company had sent one product, like a display of their foot creams and what have you. I loved it so much. My clients got the results they needed. I bought it from them for decades. So that one, the one item they sent us, maybe cost them a couple $100, maybe at the time. I spent thousands, many thousands, and that's the ROI that nail companies will get from our Nails Only show, the Nail Tech Event of the Smokies. So go to nailtechevent.com, check us out, see if it's gonna be a good fit for you and me and all of our nail techs, and then reach out to me, Jill Wright, at nailtechevent.com. Thanks, peace out.